Mo ń gbọ́ yín.
Ọ̀nà kùn sí wa létí náà ni wọ́n kùn sí wa létí sẹ̀.
Pé ok àwọn tí TMC Olúọmọ lẹ́yìn èmi mọ̀ wọ́n ti já yín tán.
Ìgbà tó bá fi mú aláyé máa wò, ìgbà tó bá fi mú Tinubu máa wọlé wá máa ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. Yorùbá ló kàn, Yorùbá ló kàn. Jàgàbá náà ló kàn, number one náà.
All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, I know you've heard that short audio for yourselves, and right now, that was the voice of one of MC Oluomo's boys. The audio leaked, and this guy was of the opinion that if Tinubu does not win that election, that there will be war in Yoruba land. And then what exactly are we even talking about? This now takes me to that part that that young man came out, that these ones that some set of people want to cause trouble. They call themselves Yoruba people. Instead of them to tackle the major thing on ground, they are killing our people on a daily basis. They are raping the women. They have stopped the farmers from going to farms so that there will be hunger in the land. In fact, already there's hunger in the land. We don't even need a society to tell us. But my concern right now is that some set of people are still in shouting Yoruba Lokan. That is where the issue is right now. They are still crying. They are still telling themselves that Yoruba Lokan, of which they have forgotten that as it stands. In fact, that now reminds me of the words of Professor Banji Akintoye, where he said that people shouting Yoruba Lokan, they don't know that the Ileke is not in the hands of the Yoruba people, but in the hands of the Hausa people. You will not understand. Then Professor Banji Akintoye talked about the proverb that the Yorubas used to say, that ọmọ ẹni ò ní ṣe ìdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ káwá fi ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ sí di ọmọ ẹlòmíràn. That the Yoruba people believe that it's their own turn, that they have that mantle, they have the beat in their hands to put in the waist of their own. And then according to Professor Banji Akintoye on this analysis, he made us to understand that this Ileke that you people are even talking about, do you think you have it? Do you think they will allow you people to rule? They will not allow the Yoruba to rule now. So it's better everybody should everybody face Yoruba nation instead of saying Yoruba Lokan. That Ileke tẹ́ ń sọ yìí kò sí lọ́wọ́ yín, ọwọ́ àwọn Fúlàní ló wà. So táwa lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ń pariwo Yorùbá Lokan kiri, tẹ́ kàn ń deceive ara yín. And exactly what you heard from that young man that just his mind had been polluted to believe that Yoruba Lokan, as far as the politics is concerned, none of them is even thinking about Yoruba nation. But one thing I have seen for sure is that a lot of people have gone astray simply because they are not informed. A lot of people have gone astray simply because they have not informed. Because as far as the whole issue is concerned right now, you are shouting Yoruba Lokan, and meaning you are talking about one Nigeria. This picture you are seeing right now, you can see the number of Hausas that are loaded in this truck, in this lorry that is going ahead. Can you see that? Well, that's another one. That's exactly what I actually wanted to talk about before that audio came in. It's not funny, my brother. It's no longer a joke. Now, with this news reaching us right now, it has been gathered that the Hausas in Lagos have started running out of Lagos State, that they are now running back to their states. Then I asked myself, why are they leaving for their state? Why are they leaving Lagos for their state? Or maybe I should ask the right question. Why are they leaving Southwest for their state at this 11th hour? 11th hour in the sense that at this time that the election is by the corner, the election that they have been clamoring about. Yeah, well, meanwhile, don't get it twisted. We have the Fúláñis and then we have the Hausas. Right now, some set of people are making us to understand that this set of people running out of southwest, they are the Fúláñis. And some set of people are like, no, they are not the Fúláñis, so that Fúláñis are still in the bushes. But these ones are the Hausas that information reached them that there's going to be war in Lagos. And I was not like, but the information we had was the one that will be, happening in Abuja. Which one is in Lagos again? That the Hausas or the Fulanis are now running away from Lagos. And I said, yes, the one of Abuja is separate, but the one of Lagos, that they are running out simply because they have received signals that they are going to scatter Lagos because the Yoruba people want to have their mega rally. So that it's not going to be easy. I was not like, so this set of people are not leaving Lagos simply because of Yoruba Nation mega rally. Then they have failed. And I think and I reason it that if that is the case, I think God is trying to God is about to work out things. Two things are involved, don't get me twisted. God is about to work out things for the Yoruba people. That's one. And then secondly, it's a sign that every Yoruba person needs to wake up, needs to be vigilant. Some set of Yoruba people are saying, tó bá lè jẹ ẹ̀fọ́ kó jẹ ẹ̀fọ́, tó bá lè mu omi, tó bá pé omi ló lè mu, kó mu omi, kẹ́dẹ̀ má gba ọta sára, tẹ́ bá lè gba ọta sára. That is to tell you that it's no longer a joke. If you are saying one Nigeria, you can see I'm twisting everything. At the end of the day, it's coming back to one, right? If you are saying one Nigeria, you should have it in mind that this one Nigeria you are shouting cannot help you. If you are shouting Yoruba lo come, it's a very straightforward point that the Yoruba local you are shouting is not what you are supposed to be shouting right now. It's all about how your safety will come up. And that is why the Yoruba Nation movement has set aside themselves that they will not allow such to happen in Yoruba land. That is why the Yoruba Nation must be quickly declared before 2023. Meaning Yoruba 2022 will happen, must happen this year. You don't need a soothsayer to tell us whatever some other people are trying to do, running out of the of the state just to cause more havoc. But the truth of the matter is, we already know it's happening. But right now, what we need to be talking about or thinking about right now is the solution, like the solution to make things work out, which is the Yoruba Nation. Because if we take a look at, you are saying Yoruba local, now some set of Yoruba people have said that there's going to be war if Tinubu does not win the election, if any other person wins election. And do you think the other party too are sleeping? Do you think the other parties are sleeping that, if they do not win, they will just be mute and all that? That is exactly where I'm going to. This time around, everybody needs to wake up. Because there can never be one Nigeria. Because if there is going to be one Nigeria, then every other politician should leave the other politician to rule. But now, everybody wants to be there. You can imagine what happened in their primaries. The primaries they did then, that they were killing themselves. Just primary election, that all the touts were killing themselves simply because they want their own party to get their own party to party. They just want their own candidate. You can imagine. So what are we talking about? If all of us continue to say one Nigeria, and then some other parts are saying one Nigeria, at the end of it all, they will still betray each other. And that is why the Yoruba nation must stand. The Yoruba nation movement must be declared. Because even they themselves shouting one Nigeria, they are targeting to attack themselves.
mo ń gbọ́ yín.
Ọlá ń kùn sí wa létí náà ni wọ́n ń kùn sí wa létí sẹ̀.
pé ok àwọn tí TMC olúọmọ lẹ́yìn èmi mọ̀ wọ́n ti já yín tán.
Ìgbà tó bá fi mú aláyé máa wò, ìgbà tó bá fi mú Tinubu máa wọlé wá máa ṣẹlẹ̀ náà.
All right, you've heard that for yourselves. Nǹkan tó bá ti mú Tinubu kó má wọlé, wọ́n máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ni. So now, where is the one Nigeria now? Where is the one Nigeria? And exactly what we are talking about. Well, meanwhile, Yoruba Nation are going back, and exactly what it is. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.